guys, a very warm welcome. It's Chuma here, back with another video, and for today I wanted to do my first ever unboxing video. I do a lot of unboxing videos over on my Instagram, so in my Instagram stories, sometimes I even go live. I will do a little quick unboxing for you guys, and I haven't actually ever done one for YouTube, so I was just like, let's do one for YouTube. And it's an exciting box to be able to actually receive. I got the email and I was like, oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing. So excited to be able to unbox this with you guys. So stick around for a little bit of a nosy to see what I've got in this box. Okay, so this is a box I received not too long ago. I really wanted to be able to open it as soon as it came, but I've been meaning to do this unboxing video for the longest, guys. I know at some point I went MIA, like, you know, a hiatus. I took a mini break. You always need to be able to take a break every so often, right? Okay, guys, so I'm super excited to actually be able to unbox with you guys and introduce a company that I have now become a brand ambassador for. It's an amazing company. They do natural hair products as well as bath and body products. So when they reached out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so exciting, because I'd already been following them and I hadn't gotten a chance to try any of their products. But, you know, I was like, okay, guys, absolutely, yes, I would be happy to do so. And the company is, drumroll please, super excited to announce that I'm now a brand ambassador for Nylah Heritage Hair and Science, a UK-based natural hair company, which is absolutely amazing as well because it is homegrown. I will include the details in the description below, but for us to be able to actually look at what's in the box, I'll go through what they've sent me, and then I will do a few more videos just to be able to try out the products and give a review and all of that good stuff. All of that will come. So without talking too much, let's actually see what goodies I've been sent. This is pretty. Oh, let me do it this way. Oh, it's come with the card. Oh, we've got some goodies in here, guys. I see some of my faves already in terms of ingredients that I like to be able to see in my natural hair products, which is actually really good. At a glance, this is everything in the box, and I'll go ahead and read the card as well. This is so sweet. Nylah Heritage Hair and Science. Hello beautiful, thank you so much for trusting us with your hair and choosing Nylah. We're excited to welcome you to our family and to continue your journey towards fantastic beautiful hair. Thank you so much, we're grateful. I created these products because I wanted my daughter Nylah to have a product and a resource that could help her to understand, cherish and celebrate her unique inherent beauty. I also believe that our hair and our heritage are beautifully intertwined, and so in choosing Nylah, you have chosen a brand that champions your unique beauty and celebrates that of the lovely women who came before you. Ooh. Also, be pleased to know that you're going green, not your hair, but because you've chosen products that are loaded with plant-based ingredients scientifically proven to enhance the look, feel, and overall health of your hair. Even our delicious fragrance is made from pure essential oils. Okay. I love them already. I haven't even tried the products, but I love the products already because I know it's just like raw natural ingredients. So if you love Nylah products as much as we do, please give us a twirl on video or send us a photo at nyla.uk. That's their Instagram. We'll feature you on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website while you help us spread the word with your beauty and self-confidence. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. Okay, and then the second page, so it was a two-part in the page, and the second page, it's literally giving me directions of my herbal tea, which is amazing. Okay, okay, let me see, let's see. Okay, let me not get too excited. Now let me just calm down a little bit, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go through each individual product and what I've actually received. Awesome. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm excited. Okay, the first one is a soap. This is peppermint and poppy seed with olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. It's a natural handmade soap bar with a minty fresh fragrance and a silky smooth lather. Nylah soap is kind, gentle, and naturally moisturizing, even for those with the most sensitive skin. And you can get that from nyla.co.uk. And this is the herbal hair tea condition blend, and that's what contains the marshmallow root, burdock root, flaxseed, hibiscus flowers, chamomile flowers, lavender essential oil. I've got tea for my hair, guys. I've got tea for my My hair's gonna be so posh. Oh my gosh, my hair's gonna be so posh, because like literally my hair's going to be so spoiled. Okay, then I've got, ooh, you know what I always like. You know what I always like. You know, I always get excited for a new shampoo, right? I always get excited for a new shampoo. You know me. So this is the Nyla Strength and Shine Shampoo Cream. It's with fortifying pea proteins and enriching shea butter to moisturize and replenish hair. It's got a powerful moisture binding properties for deep hydration and anti-aging properties, promote scalp and follicle health. And it also has a pH of 5.0 to rebalance hair. That's the shampoo. I'm always excited for a new shampoo conditioner. Trust me, I'm always excited. And I will use the conditioner sparingly. So this is the Super Botanicals conditioner with softening Ethiopian cram seed oil. Is it crambe or cram seed oil? I want to say crambe seed oil because I'm African, so I always like to pronounce the full word. I will say Ethiopian crambe seed oil and nourishing jojoba. So key African botanicals provide enhanced moisture and key amino acids proven to help stimulate hair growth. And it also has a pH of 4.5 to rebalance hair. So that's the conditioner. Okay, and you know we can never ever have too many of these, right? They've also sent me a Magic Star wide tooth comb, which definitely will come in handy. You know, I've got one at work, I've got one at the Misters, I carry one in the bag just in case, and this will be another great addition. And those are the goodies from Nyla, guys. So I got the peppermint and poppy seed soap. I got the herbal hair tea, which I'm so excited to try. I also got the shampoo cream and the conditioner as well, and the wide tooth comb. So I am just so excited to be able to receive these goodies. So that is a wrap from me, guys. Look out for more videos that will include the Nyla products that will be coming your way soon. And of course, I will be sharing with you guys as well. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, trust me, you need to, because that's where all the magic happens, all the interactiveness happens. Like, you want to be on Instagram because I'm always on my stories, always going live every so often, just because, okay? And you want to be able to keep up to date. So be sure to go over to my Instagram and follow me. If this is the first time that you're checking me out, or you're returning and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Also, turn on the auto notification bell. That way you know every single time I post a video. Alright guys, and until next time, thank you so much. Bye! But still works out. Yay! With my star earrings. I really love these earrings though. Really love them. Anyway. Hercules.